Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's my first video of the year, so I say Happy New Year to everyone who subscribed and everyone who's watching my videos the whole time and asking questions and things like that. Thank you guys for watching and thank you guys for subscribing. So recently I've asked a question on my Snapchat and asking people what videos they'd like me to film next. And a lot of people got back to me and said they wanted lookbooks, they wanted house tours and stuff like that. So in this video I've decided to show you guys my kitchen. So this video is a kitchen tour. It's not really much, but here is the things you see on Snapchat and stuff, and you guys want to see how I did them. A lot of the things in here I've had them for so long and they're not new, but anything that is new I would try and put the link down below if I could find them. But to be honest, nothing here is new and I'm sure you can get them anywhere else, to be honest. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. So guys, here is my bum jar from the other tour videos. I store my detergent in here, and here is the washing machine. Everything is literally tucked away, to be honest, because I like my space, if you know what I mean. So here is a flower bowl. I got this from B&M or something like that, I'm not too sure. And I got this quartz good things take time, love it. I got this from B&M or so, something like that. As I said, there's nothing new in here, to be honest. It's just old stuff. Here is M&S. It's got the lotion and the hand wash, and here the sink where all the washing goes down. And there's my onion bag, my kettle. I got this kettle recently because the old one was bad, so I got this from Dunham recently. This is still quite new, they've got this in store. And my candles from Asda, and this is from IKEA. They're both from IKEA. And over this corner I have my jars, my cookie jar and my marshmallow jar. And I got this plant from IKEA and I just chucked it in here, literally. And here's another coat. So here's my fruit bowl. And the champagne bucket and microwave. And then this side you have my fridge. So many things in there, guys. And the bottom is the freezer. And you've got different drawers. In this drawer, I love my noodles. You have that. In this drawer, you have the spoons and stuff. And there you have your Chinese newspapers and all those rubbish and the spoons and stuff. There's really nothing. And here I store my plastic, my bowls. And that's it really. And over here you have my cups and the mugs and stuff. And in here you have my empty jars and the cups, the kids' cups. And this one you have the plates, the plastic cups and stuff. So yeah, so there it is. So this is what it looks like when you're coming in my kitchen. So this is what it looks like when you're coming in. Like you come in like this.